In a composition shot, what you can do is you can work around with 3D layers. So what you can do is you can go around and turn out 2D layers into 3D layers and move them around in 3D space. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on new layer, and I'm going to click on plane right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around and choose a color, let's say for example, and press OK. And this is right now in a 2D layer, meaning I can move them around in X and Y axis. But if I want to go around and turn this into 3D, then what I need to do is I need to go around over here onto controls right here. And here you can see that dimension is an option. And right now it's 2D. I'm going to go around over here and click 3D, and it says composition shot cannot contain 3D layers without a camera. So you do need to create a camera. So I'm just going to go around and say yes, and now a camera is made, and now this is in a 3D layer. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this particular layer now, you can see that I got rotation X, Y, and Z axis right here. So I can go around and rotate it out in 3D space right here. And I can go around and change it out over here in 3D space as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and you can see that this is over here in 3D space right here, just like this. So you can go around and control it out according to how you want, just like this in 3D space. So you can also do this around with other objects, like let's say for example video right here. So if I were to go around and bring this in, I can go around over here onto controls right here, and from 2D I can turn it into 3D right here, and the video is 3D again as well. So I can go around over here, and then let's say for example scale it out, and then if I were to go around and rotate it right here, so if I were to, let's say for example, let me just press 0 right here. If I were to go around and rotate it, you can see that I can rotate it around in 3D space right here. And then I can go around and change around the position right here, just like this. So let me just slowly change around the position, and you can see that they are all in 3D layer now. So I can go around and then bring this in, and you can see that they are overlapping each other as well. And I'm just going to go around over here and then scale this out right here, just like this. And then let me just go around and bring this down right here, and you can see that this video is there now in 3D layer, just like this. And that is how you can go around and turn 2D layer into 3D layer and place them out in 3D space inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.